So, this is how to crop videos in CapCut step by step, fast and easy. First, move your imported media files onto the timeline. Cropping can be applied to both videos and images here. For this example, I'll demonstrate cropping using an image. Let's say I want to crop this logo to make it a bit more compact on the video. To crop it, look above the timeline for an icon that looks like a rectangle with a diagonal slash through it. This is the crop ratio tool. Click it and you'll see the crop controls open up for the clip you've selected. Now you can grab those crop handles on the corners or sides to trim the image however you need. If the crop ratio is set to free, you're not restricted at all. Just crop in any direction you want. You can also switch to a fixed ratio instead, like 1:1 for a perfect square, 9:16, which is vertical for stories or TikTok, or 16:9, which is horizontal for standard videos. If you need to maintain a specific aspect ratio, once you pick a ratio, the crop will automatically lock to that shape when you drag the handles. Once you pick a ratio, the crop will automatically lock to that shape when you drag the handles. Right next to the crop ratio, you'll notice a rotation slider that lets you tilt your image or video left or right for those quick angle adjustments. When you're happy with how everything looks, just click Confirm to apply those changes and head back to the timeline. There, I'll just tweak the image's size a bit, and now I've got a clean cropped logo ready for the video. And hey, if you change your mind about the crop, no problem. Just reopen the crop tool, then click Reset to undo all those changes and get back to the original framing. And there it is. That's how you crop and fine-tune visuals in CapCut on PC. Fast and easy. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.